This is crazy, but I got a lot of comments on a video I made recently about my skin. And I'm gonna tell you about how I take care of this face. I take care of my entire body, but let's just talk about this part today. Okay, I make a lot of my own stuff. So today's a day where I'm not gonna shower. So I have two different ways I approach my face skincare. One when I get out of a shower and one when I don't. Today is the latter. Putting my glasses down so I'm more safe. So I make my own cleanser. I call it a toner, but it's basically witch hazel, apple cider vinegar, and not much else. It's a very short list of ingredients. And I have these little reusable cosmetic puffs that I just use a couple of times and then wash. So I don't have to, I'm trying to reduce the amount of disposable stuff I buy and throw away. So I found these bamboo, I think, little pads, and I keep them in a little bowl and use them a couple times and ditch them, like I said. So that's the first thing I do. And the second thing I do is use my serum, my beautiful, made by me, Shine Your Light serum. It's made of, oh my God, you should see my garage fridge. The whole top shelf is full of organic oils. St. John's wort oil, frankincense oil, apricot oil, grapeseed, jojoba, kukui nut, marula, pomegranate seed, you name it, like 15 oils, and infused with cannabinoids from the CBD plants that I grow, and some other magical ingredients. And a squirt or two. Maybe just one squirt. That was a big one. All over my face. And the excess wherever I feel like it. I used to put some in my hair, but it turns out my hair doesn't need it. And that looks pretty shiny. It won't in 5 minutes. It just absorbs. There's a term called dry oils. Yeah, I use oils that absorb quickly into the skin. And then there's my moisturizer, which is made of a base of this product that I buy, which is amazing, and some magical ingredients that I add to it, including some of my Shine Your Light and pearl powder. Pearl powder, I don't know. I read in an article somewhere that somebody uses it for their moisturizer, so I have been with mine. It's powder made of pearls. And I just throw it into my moisturizer. Pearl powder. And Egyptian magic. Egyptian magic is olive oil, beeswax, honeybee pollen, propolis, royal jelly. Dude, it's got great stuff, and that's why it has made it into the very short but potent ingredient list for my moisturizer. I just realized that I lost the clip I made about the eye cream I use, and that would be incomplete. So here we go. I have been using, I swear, where did that clip go? I don't know. So weird. Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. I've been using the same eye cream since 1973, maybe, when I lived in New York City and was getting my makeup on Lexington Avenue at Boyd's Cosmetics, and they turned me on. They sent me to Mario Badescu on East 53rd Street, East 50-something Street near Sutton Place. And my consultant was Janesco, Mario Badescu's partner, who took one look at my eyes and said, "This is your eye cream." oops, and said, this is your eye cream, Special Eye Cream V, and I've been using it ever since. I don't know. It's just what I use. I put a little bit on my finger and go like this, and a little bit on my ring finger so it doesn't pull, and I go like that. And I do that in the morning and sometimes again later in the day. And that's what I do for my eyes. And now I think I'm done with face care. Oh yeah, I forgot to say I don't wear makeup. I gave that up when my eyelids start, the folds and the creases, just doesn't work for me anymore. Although I should do my eyebrows, but I don't because I'm lazy and I'm old and I've run out of F's to give, I think. So yeah, no, I don't use makeup. Those couple of the people that commented on a recent video think I do, but no. In fact, I should really ditch it all, give it all away. It's taking up valuable space in my potions and fixings stash places. So no makeup.